Hey study buddies! Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Tayo, kung saan students help students navigate the digital world one tech tool at a time. Ako nga pala si Gwen, at today, pag-uusapan natin ang version control. Alam ko iniisip nyo, version control yung sa Spotify ba yan? May remix? Hindi po. Ang version control ay para sa mga documents, lalo na pag group work. Ibig sabihin nito, kahit madaming tao ang nag-edit, hindi kayo mawawala sa thread. Walang gulo, walang hala na wala yung ginawa ko kagabi. So now, para mas maintindihan nyo ang version control, I'm here to guide you. First, tools ng bayan, Google Docs and MS World Online. Sa Google Docs or Microsoft Word Online, automatic nang naka-on ang version control. Parang CCTV sa document nyo. Nakikita kung sino ang nag-edit, anong binago at kailan. Kung may mali, balik lang sa dati. Hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng final na talaga docs or worse, really final with price docs. Just go to File, Version History, see version history, and here's what you'll find. A full list of versions with names and dates. Color-coded edits to show who changed what. Next, the option to rename versions like Dropped 1, May 10, or Final Copy, May 25. And most importantly, you can restore all versions in just one click. Kunwari, gumagawa kayo ng travel itinerary para sa Taiwan tour. Si groupmate number 1, binago yung hotel. Si groupmate number 2, nag-update ng price. Tapos, may nagbura ng activities. Aba, anong nangyari? Don't you worry, merong version control. Pwede niyong balikan lahat ng edits. Di na kailangan magpanic or maghanap ng USB backup pa ni Lolo.
There you are, buddies! Microsoft Teams and OneDrive, a solid combo for your group works, school collabs, and future tourism projects. Huwag na natin pahirapan yung sarili natin, no? Gamitin na natin yung tools na designed to help us succeed. I am your study buddy and thank you for watching. Work smart, not hard. Stay techy, stay productive. Tech Talk tayo! Bye!